Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain how to remove profile picture frame on Facebook. In this tutorial I use Android device. So, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Tap to the profile menu icon right here. Step 2. Tap to your profile picture. Step 3. Click on select profile picture and then go to your albums right here. Step 4. Choose profile picture album. Step 5. Select your previous profile picture without frame. Don't forget to uncheck this box if you do not want to share this activity to your feed and click save. Okay, if this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.